Hey everyone, Karan here from Life Accounting, where we help you grow your business and increase your wealth. And today I've put together the ultimate list of small business loans that can help your business move towards its goals faster. Now, there are many reasons why you may be interested in getting a loan for your business. To get your startup off the ground, for working capital or inventory, to provide a cushion for cash flow, for new marketing initiatives, for an emergency. The list is literally endless. And therefore, I provided the best loan there is for each of these scenarios and more. Whatever your needs are, you'll find the loan that fits. So let's get right into it. The best overall loan will come from Lendio. Lendio has options for loans ranging from $1,000 to over $1 million. And all you have to do is provide Lendio with a few specifics of your business, like your time in business, your revenue, and your credit information. Once you do, Lendio will provide you with the terms of the loans that are available to you based on this information. Lendio works with over 75 lenders to get you the loan that you need, matching you with the loan best for your situation. Even if you're just starting out or have been established for years, Lendio has options for you. The best lender for business startup loans is Axion. Through its partnership and outreach, Axion targets underserviced entrepreneurs, including entrepreneurs of color, low income, and women who often lack access to the financial services needed to build and grow their businesses. Axion is a non-profit lender, providing loan amounts from $5,000 to $10,000 with transparent terms and no repayment penalty. Axion has interest rates as low as 5.99%, and these rates can vary based on the chosen repayment plan. Axion also offers educational resources, coaching, and access to support networks for new entrepreneurs to help ensure your success. And the best part is that Axion's loans are very easy to qualify for. You just need to have the following: a credit score of 525 or higher, or no credit score at all. Have cash flow to pay for the loan. Have paid your rent or mortgage on time for the last year, not be currently more than 30 days late on any bills, and not declared bankruptcy in the past 12 months or had a foreclosure in the past 24 months. And you can probably obtain a loan. And even those last two requirements are flexible for loans under $2,500. Okay, the best lender for low credit is Fundbox. If you have low credit, you can usually get slightly better terms with Fundbox. Fundbox provides loans from $1,000 to $150,000, and unlike many other lenders, there are no specific requirements for 6 and 12 months lines of credit, and they provide repayment terms of 12 or 24 months. Fundbox does require a minimum credit score of $600 to qualify. It also requires at least $100,000 of annual revenue, and you must connect your accounting software or bank account. Now, as far as Fundbox's costs go, the APR on Fundbox's line of credits range from 10% to 80%. The best lender for personal loans is Fundera. Fundera is the loan service with the financial site NerdWallet backing it. They can provide all sorts of loans up to $1 million, but with rates as low as 6%. But here's the kicker: Fundera's personal loans is what separates them from the pack. Because if you run a business, it's very important to keep personal and business financial matters separate. So people often use personal loans for things like student loans, home improvement, medical bills, car payments. You get it. But the key here is that Fundera offers personal loans for business with max loan amounts up to $50,000, loan terms of 3 to 5 years, interest rates of 5.99 to 35%. And you can get loans as soon as 1 day, but I do want you to remember this. With a personal loan, your personal assets are the collateral, and this loan will go on your credit report. Okay, the best loan for P2P lending is Funding Circle. Funding Circle connects you with P2P lending sources. Those are sources who are accredited and institutional investors. So to find the funding needed, rather than going to a bank for funding, Funding Circle underwrites and manages their own loans. You can apply for a Funding Circle loan online in as little as 6 minutes and get a decision in as little as 1 business day after submitting documents, which makes Funding Circle a good option for businesses that have the following. You've been in business for at least 2 years. You have a personal credit score of 660 or higher. you've had no bankruptcies within the last 7 years, and your business is not located in Nevada, simply because Nevada has a unique state commercial lending regulation. Now, the most convenient place to get a loan is through Kabbage. Kabbage is a small business lending arm of American Express and offers lines of credit ranging from $1,000 to $150,000. But what makes Kabbage great is that each draw on the line of credit is a separate 6, 12, or 18-month installment depending on your eligibility. And you can have more than one loan at a time as long as it does not exceed your maximum loan amount. So say you're approved for a $75,000 line of credit, but choose to draw several loans of $10,000 each when your business needs some funds. Each one of those $10,000 loans will have a separate loan agreement. You only pay for fees on the loan amount, not for the full line of credit. Okay, the best lender for microloans is Kiva. Kiva is another nonprofit that provides access to capital for entrepreneurs across the globe. And more than 2.5 million people have raised over $1 billion on Kiva. You can obtain up to $15,000 at 0% interest. Yes, really, 0%. And there's no catch. Kiva is a nonprofit aimed at expanding access to capital. Any business can apply, but not all are pre-qualified. It does take time to get funding, but once you do, you have 3 years to repay the loan. Kiva may be exactly what you need to get your business and your dreams moving forward. If you're going to be doing repeat borrowing, you're going to want to go with the lender On Deck. On Deck has a similar line of credit as Kabbage, which is used for managing your business's cash flow, such as buying inventory or making payroll with access to cash when needed. It offers loan amounts from $6,000 up to $1,000 and has a 12-month repayment term, which resets after each withdrawal. It has a minimum requirement of 1 year in business, a 600 personal FICO score, a $100,000 business annual revenue, and you must have a business bank account. The best lender for SBA loans is SmartBiz. So if you're looking for an SBA loan, SmartBiz is for you. The good news is that you can see if you pre-qualify for up to $350,000 in as little as 5 minutes without impacting your credit score. SmartBiz works with multiple banks so that you don't have to go searching, and matches you with a lender most likely aligned with the use of SBA loan proceeds. And you can use these proceeds for things like working capital, debt refinancing, commercial real estate, new equipment, hiring employees, marketing, business expansion, and a whole lot more. The SBA loans from SmartBiz can range from $30,000 to $5 million and have interest rates from 4.75% to 7%. They also give you repayment terms from 10 to 25 years. If you have large cash flows, you want to get a loan from Bluevine. Bluevine has a simple system to see if you are right for their loans. Bluevine search is free to use with no hidden fees, and they provide loan amounts from $5,000 all the way up to $3 million. And their funds can be available as fast as the same day. So what are the requirements? Well, if you're looking for a Bluevine line of credit, you must have been in business for 6 or more months. You must be able to show $10,000 in monthly revenue, and you must have a credit score of 600 or more. So there you have it. No matter what kind of funding you're looking for, one of these providers can get you to your goals. I'm gonna place a few videos on the screen I think you should watch next. Be sure to check them out. And if you found this video helpful at all, do me a favor and hit that like button for me. It helps others to find this video on YouTube. And subscribe to the channel for more information that helps you save on taxes, increase your wealth, and grow your business. I'm Karan from Life Accounting, and I'll see you in the next video.